Good boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and any more to go in?
Yes.
Oh, that's a bit of cotton wool, thank you. Oh, drop that bit, I've got it. Thank you. Cotton wool's quite hard to put in the basket, isn't it? Are there any more toys to put in, Jack? Any more toys to put in the basket? The bucket? What about the fish? Fish, he can go in, lovely. That cup, that can go in. Brilliant. Yeah. Oh, your book? Yeah, lovely. Oh, 3 buckets at once? Oh, okay. So good and tidy. Thank you. Thank you. Your bowls from hospital. Now we need to empty those out of water first, don't we? And we'll just tip them up like that. And then we can pop them in. Anything else? You've got a lot of bath toys, haven't you? Plastic duck.